The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged first-time voters to exercise their franchise in record numbers in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani this morning, Modi said that the more youth participate in the electoral process, the more beneficial its results will be for the country. He was happy to note that the Election Commission has started a campaign, Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye. Modi said India is proud of its youth, which is full of enthusiasm and energy. He pointed out that they are getting a chance to elect a member for the 18th Lok Sabha upon turning 18.
शक्ति पर गर्व है। हमारे युवा साथी चुनावी प्रक्रिया में जितनी अधिक भागीदारी करेंगे, इसके नतीजे देश के लिए उतने ही लाभकारी होंगे। मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर से आग्रह करूंगा कि वे रिकॉर्ड संख्या में वोट करें।
Prime Minister